Hi everyone, my paper pumpkin for May just got here in the mail and I wanted to share what's in it with you. First off, the spot. Early Espresso is this month's spot color. Always a good color to have on hand, and lately I've been using it a lot more on my sentiments instead of black. I really wanted to show you this stamp set. I saw it online because mine kit is a little later than it usually is this month. Let me grab some cardstock so you can see it better. The stamp set it's a bigger stamp set than usual, and I wanted to point out the birds and this large feather. There are a few different birds in flight. They're very pretty. There's a splatter, hello, grateful for you, love, and dear friend, hugs, thank you. So it's a beautiful stamp set. Let me get a little closer. The birds and the drawings on this and the floral is beautiful, and I love this stamp set. And I wanted to show it to you because it really goes well with the Bird Ballad suite from the brand new coming up annual catalog. So the annual catalog has this beautiful bird paper in it. It's lovely. The birds are beautifully colored. Look at this one. I've used a lot of this paper already, as you can see. Isn't that pretty? And it's like the same flower in the kit. So these were meant to go together. I mean, they have to have been. They're so perfect. The bird's perfect. The feather is the feather is right there in the paper. And then this paper, look at these birds in flight. So if you have the May kit, you're going to extend this kit by grabbing some of this new paper when it comes live on June 4th. It's just gorgeous paper. You're going to love it. It's called Bird Ballad. So the May paper pumpkin kit is perfect with the Bird Ballad paper. But let's look at the kit itself. So pretty. So there's 4 different cards. Ooh, I didn't see that ribbon up close when I was looking at this online. Alright, now these are note card size cards, which some people say, oh, it's note card size. You can mail this size with a standard stamp in the US. And these are great to give to teachers or to throw in a gift bag too. Look at the beautiful envelopes. They're just beautiful. I think there's 4 different envelopes. These 2. Oh, and a little nest. The envelopes are beautiful. Then you've got some card bases. One. Oh, look at this one. That's really pretty. Ooh. And then this floral. And this one. So there's 4 different bases. Each one prettier than the next. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look, there's vellum. You're going to do some beautiful layering on it. Look at that. It's a little pretty feather. We've got some floral accents, and then of course there's tags. Really pretty kit. You're gonna really love this kit. Let's open these embellishments too. So there's a couple different, there's a baker's twine and a linen thread. This looks like maybe petal pink, and beautiful peacock velvet. Wow, that is lovely. Oh, look what else is in here. These cute little bird trinkets. This is a beautiful, beautiful kit. Okay, so you get this whole kit for the month of May, and the order time frame for this was May 10th, so you might have missed out on it. Some of you may know I order extra kits. I always keep some, and I bring them to my card buffets. And so if you didn't get a chance to grab this kit, contact me and I might have one for you. So you're going to make these 4 different cards. There's 1, 2, 3 each of 4 designs. Very pretty. So you're going to make 12 cards. Beautiful stamp set. This you're going to use again and again. And you're going to want to grab the Bird Ballad paper. And you're going to use this stamp set just for years. You're going to love this. And you can put it, you know what I do whenever there's a stamp set that kind of coordinates well with my paper pumpkin? I just take it and I put it inside with it. See, I've used this several times. I just put them together. Now you can also print out if you want. I can help you find it. You can print out a paper like this and buy some extra cases, and you can print out a case holder for this stamp set, and you're going to put them next to each other and use it again and again. It's just beautiful. It coordinates wonderfully. The flowers are the same style and drawing. These birds are the same. You can use the sentiments back and forth. It's a great combination. So if you need the May Paper Pumpkin Kit, it's called Hugs from Shelli. It was designed by our CEO, who is now the board chair of Stampin' Up. So she's been the founder, co-founder of Stampin' Up. This is her styling. In my years of Stampin' Up, the bird's nest reminds me so much of Shelli. So this is the Hugs from Shelli Paper Pumpkin Kit for May, and I have some extra if you need one. Let me know, and grab this bird ballad kit when it goes live on June 4th. If you wish you could get that paper now and this stamp set right now, and all of the wonderful new things that are coming out. Maybe you've seen some sneak peeks on the Magnolia set. That's beautiful too. I'll be showing that soon. If you wish you could get that today, there is a way. What you need to do is join, and it's really simple. Go to my blog, bestpapercuts.com, click the join button, and choose any $125 worth of products, and it includes the sneak peeks. Any $125 worth of products for just $99, and it'll ship free. So that's awesome. So you can join right now and get some of the sneak peeks like the paper and the Free as a Bird stamp set today. Or if you don't want to do that just yet, go ahead and June 4th, the catalog goes live and you'll be able to get it. But if you want to get this, you have to contact a demonstrator who has some, and I do. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you love the kit. It's really pretty, and I just love this stamp set. I know I'm going to use this stamp set for a long time. Super pretty. Thanks for watching.